Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 129. The %1 application cannot be run in Win32 mode. Error child not complete in Windows 11 and Windows 10. What are the causes of such type of error code? And you can easily see in most cases it is not a valid Win32 applications occurs due to the incompatibility between the Windows version type and program. Please make sure you have downloaded the right version of the installer file. Basically, it's a installer file running error. So you must check your version type of Windows and its equivalent you will have to download or install installer file. So how to check version of your Windows 11 and 10 system? Here are the process. Right click on start button, choose run, and in run dialog box type msinfo32 and click on OK. Here you will find your Windows 11 and 10 version. You can easily see system type 64 based PC. So if you try to downloading any installer file, then it must be compatible with 64 based PC. So download the installer file. If the system type is 64, you should download the 64-bit installer file. If the system type is 86, you should download the 32-bit installer file. So make sure that this rule you are following and downloading installer file as per procedure, as per your system type version. The workaround to fix this issue is open any file app that you are trying to open or run, right click on it and choose properties, and here go to its compatibility section, and here run compatibility troubleshoot. You may check here, otherwise run this program in compatibility mode for, and make the check against also run this program as an administrator. So you must run the problematic app or program as administrator mode. In addition, you may run compatibility troubleshoot also, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here, go to Windows Defender Firewall, or if you have installed any third-party antivirus, then go to that folder. Here, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on this and turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network. Means if you have installed any third-party antivirus, then disable it temporarily. After your work is finished, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall or any third-party antivirus. And check, definitely your system error should be resolved. That's all.